Hello and welcome back. Now I'm going to teach you how to draw a panda. So first you do a round head, then the eyes, and the ears and all the things that are black are done. I need tiny little claws. He's grown, he's a panda, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, or great videos like this one. And remember, jump, biscuit, try. Bye!